Today is Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I've got my fierce cane corso at 10 weeks. Come here, what are you doing, barking? Yeah, what are you barking at? Yeah, look at that. And we have the Piscobamba River flooding. No, hey, don't go too far, hey. Don't get too adventurous. No, hey. Hey, Juno, come on. Yeah. Well, we don't want to get too carried away in that river, man. You get in that river and you're gone. You're being Tuyanuma before you know it. Yeah, it's a river.